How to add picture to Google reviews. Adding pictures to Google reviews helps others see the real experience before visiting a place. So if you do not add photos, our review looks very incomplete and less helpful. So let's add picture the right way step by step. You can open up Google Maps for that and make sure you're logged in into the correct Google account. And we can find the place where we wanna leave a review. So I can search for the place or the business. You can tap on its name. Just open it up. For example, KFC or any other restaurant. And once you find the location, what we can do is we can directly head over and go to the review section from the menu that pops up, and we'll be finding the review here. So you can scroll down and look out for other people reviews as well. You can filter it out and just go over and check it out as well. We have different options available, and we have this option where we can provide up a star and everything. You can check it out. Now, if you'd like to add your own, what we can do is we can just go over and rate it out first. So first of all, if you'd like to rate it out, for example, I would like to give 4 star for this. So you can give 4 star or any other star and click on OK. And what we can do is we can tell others about our experience here. So here we can just go over and write our review. So just go over and enter it up. And once it is done, right below it, we have this another section called add photos and video. You can tap on the camera or the photo icon here, and you can choose a photo from your camera or your gallery and wait for the upload to be completed. Once the upload is done, you can just go over and tap on this option called post. Before doing so, you can even answer these questions available or leave it as it is. And once it is done, tap on this option called post. And when you post it up, the review will be posted. And you can just go over and read out your review, the photo that is added to your Google review that way. But it is very easy. You may follow up these simple steps and your photo should be added to the Google review. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.